Hello, welcome to Topper Machine. I'm Josh Topper. So the last 2 days, June 25th and 26th, 2022, was the 52nd annual Hungry Hollow Steam and Gas Engine Show in Rice Lake, Wisconsin. And as you can see, the baker is still here in the shed. I don't have her quite ready. I got valve timing and things to do, and painting and a lot of stuff to do. But we took the water wagon and the Farmall F12, and on Saturday, we plowed in the field with the Last Minneapolis steam traction engine ever built, 8708, and an 8-bottom John Deere plow. And on Sunday, we plowed with an 80-horse case. Now, this is the first time at this show ever plowing with steam, and my F12 and my water wagon were instrumental in this whole operation. We kept moving with the tractor and the wagon, kept making rounds with water and fuel to the engines and kept them rolling. So, without further ado, here's all the footage from the show.
Sorry, just have to go crash the watch yesterday. Nope. Perfect speed, brother. Today we're live at the Hungry Hollow Steam Show. I'm riding on Mr. Josh's water wagon, and the F12's pulling us. Here comes the steam engine pulling the 8-bottom plow. Josh is pumping away here.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. The Hungry Hollow Show in Rice Lake, Wisconsin is the last full weekend of June every year, and we're looking forward to next year. We're going to plow a much bigger field and hopefully get a few more engines out there. But we're going to have the water wagon there again to support them. That was a lot of fun. It was a good test of the wagon and it performed beautifully. So I hope you enjoyed that, and thank you very much to the guys that sent me your footage from your cell phones. I had a few friends there taking video, and just, it was awesome. It was a great show, a lot of fun. Saturday was a little rainy. The turnout wasn't as good as we had hoped, but Sunday really seemed to make up for it, and it was a lot of fun. So until next time, get out in your shop and get it done right the first time.